Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you can see right now, I have a lot of stuff on deck. Okay, I got a lot of seasoning because today I'm going to do something very special for you guys that a lot of people love in my town, and I do sometimes sell it, but today I'm just doing it for the holidays. All right, so today we're going to be making you the best ever cornbread chicken and dressing in the world. All right, and I'm going to show you these ingredients right here. This is bay leaf. All right, here's some sage. Of course, this is some garlic, and this right here is some ginger. Let's start over here. This is cream of chicken, 2 cans of those. Onion, granulated. This should be some thyme, some red pepper flakes, some black pepper, some granulated garlic. I don't know why this out here, so I'm gonna get rid of one of these because I don't need that much garlic. So I'll go with the garlic salt because I'm gonna need some salt anyways. I ran out of some pink sea salt. I'm gonna have to go back to the Dollar Tree. So make sure you go to the Dollar Tree and collect on some of them items because they $1, and I get a whole bag and I fill up something like this for $1 of pink Himalayan sea salt. All right, let's get back to it. This is some adobo, and we have my favorite. I need to get some more of that, poultry seasoning. All right, now go over here. We have some chicken bouillon by KNORR, and this is Miracle Amazed cornbread right here. This is, they have the sweet one too as well. So I have 2 boxes of those. And also you're going to need some milk. You're going to need some celery. You're going to need some bell peppers. And most of all, you're going to need some chicken. So when I make my chicken and dressing, I always put pieces in my dressing. Whole, okay? Not no whole chicken. We're just going to cut them in pieces, all right? And just put it on top. So stay tuned in. I'm going to go ahead and wash all this stuff up and chop up, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I just want to show you the chicken. I did wash them off and I cut them up in pieces like this. Just it's easier to work with for me if it was whole, but since I'm going to put some on top of the dressing, that's why I just cut it up like that. I just cut them all up. I left the breast pretty much intact. All right. So I'm gonna put all them ingredients in this pot, along with some water and that KNORR. And I forgot to let you guys know I'm going to use some green onions and some eggs and some white wine. All right, so that you know. So make sure you don't skip this video, guys. Watch it all the way through if you want to have a banger chicken and dressing. And cornbread. I mean, well, cornbread, chicken, and dressing. All right. So don't skip it. Follow these steps. Here's these right here, the bell peppers. Here's the garlic right here. About that many right there. And here's the celery. And I sliced them up in halves. That's all I did to those. All right. And I am going to cook all this with my chicken. So I want all my stuff to be tender. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a minute when I get through chopping this up. In a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Just wanted to show you that. This is some ginger. Let me see. See if I can go up here for you guys can see a little bit more. Alright, this is sage. Put too much of this in there. I hate these little things, man. I can't find my big one. Better buy that in bulk, huh? It's probably about, I don't know, probably about a tablespoon. If that. I'm about to to save some of this because I want to put some on in the dressing itself. All right, what we have here, some poultry. I put a lot of this because I don't like a lot of sage. So it's probably about, I don't know. You just put enough what you want in yours. So I know I'm kind of bogus because I don't want to do a lot of typing. I'm trying to tell you, hey, this job is not easy. You got to type in everything you say, pretty much. So just eyeball it. But you know what you want. There's a little piece right there that fell off, crumbled up. Since I don't have a whole onion, I'm gonna use a lot of that. All right. Let's go with this bay leaf. About 2 of them. And I promise I'm gonna do this again. The next time I do it, I'm gonna be writing it down. This time, I didn't do it this time. I mean, I have to go look at the video and all that extra stuff, and it's time consuming. So yeah, that's bay leaf right there. Some thyme, or whatever you want to call it. Not that much of that. A little bit more. Red pepper flakes. A little spice in your life. So probably about that much. Not a whole lot. Garlic, we already got garlic in it, so we're going to go with this granulated. Not about that much. Trust me when I tell you my food are bold tasting. So if you try it, you'll know what I'm talking about. Black pepper. About that much. We already got spices. Adobo. Yeah. Adobo by BOUILLON. Let's see. This is my salt substitute. And that's it on that. Alright. Now KNORR. I really don't need this really because it's going to make its own broth. But I just like to intensify mine a little bit more. And I'm going to do something that's really going to trip you guys out. So this is about, I'm going to use about all 4 of them probably. I'm going to probably add maybe a cup of their white wine up in there. I'm not going to put it in there right now because I got to put some water in this. So you want to just fill your water up to right till it get to like the top, because you don't want to overdo it or underdo it. I'd rather overdo it than underdo it because you're going to be needing some more broth. Okay, so let me see, make sure I got everything. Okay, this is done deal. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and fill this up and I'll show you how that look in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. That's about how much water you want, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of this wine in there. Oh, half a cup. About that much. Okay, it was right here. And I put it down to right there, to the label, see? Alright. Alright, I'm going to see you guys in a minute. We're going to go ahead and make some of this cornbread up in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I already put the cornbread meal or whatever cornbread's mixed in here. And the ingredients on here, preheat your oven to 400. Alright, we need a cup of well, we need 2 eggs, so I got 2 boxes, so I have to use 4 eggs. Moving slow. One of them days, I guess. Alright, what else we need? 1.5 cups of milk. So that's a total of 3 cups. And 3. And we need some oil. So how much is that? That's a 1/3 cup. So there you go. Just gonna mix that up. Alright. Now I got 2 tablespoons of sugar I'm gonna put in there. And I'm gonna go in there with some spray butter. Give some more flavor. So it's probably like 2 tablespoons. Alright. Alright, alright. We're just gonna take this pan that I put oil in already. That's around about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm just gonna scoop this out of there. Like this. Nothing fancy, guys. And that's it. Put this in the oven at 400. When it gets done, I'll show you how it looks in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I shredded up the chicken. What I'm going to do with this chicken is put it back into the pot. I already put the cream chicken in there. And that's how that looks. So we don't want this to dry out. So we're just going to put it back in there. Get some of them yummy flavors. And I did taste it. It tastes pretty good. But you guys should taste this one. Alright. Yummy. I'm going to get this bread out. There we go. That's the bread. We're just going to let it cool off. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. So I broke up this cornbread. This is how you want it. Just like so. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go with our meat and stuff. So we're just going to put that in there like this. And yes, I mean you don't have to, but I do. I leave the skin on my chicken. You don't have to do it like I said. You can take the skin off if you want it. Off yours. Most of my seasoning is in that already, so I ain't got to do a whole bunch of seasoning. Now what I do like to do is add a little bit more, just to give them enough. So this is all you're doing, guys. That's it. You want to get this nice and creamy like. So we gotta put some eggs in this. So, put some more in there. And trust me, this is the bomb.com. So while it's doing that, I'm gonna take some black pepper, just like that. Then I'm going to put some poultry seasoning in it. All my poultry seasoning. That's it. I'll say that kind of refill it up. Sprinkle a little bit of seasoning salt. So you guys don't never really see me mess with the seasoning salt because I don't like it really. Alright, this is sage. Sprinkle some of that in there. Alright. I think that's good enough. Then I'm going to take these 2 eggs. Just going to put those in there. And we're going to give this a mix, guys. If you have a stick of butter, you can use that as well. I'm not trying to do too much. I just know how it tastes with this. Okay? So alright, so finish mixing. Alright, let me spread it out. Just like this. Then we take our meat that we have. So you just put your lay a quarter in there like that. One over this way. Just like that. Take the rest of your broth from that. Just like go over it. Alright. And that's it. Put this in the oven and I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay guys, that's it. The best ever cornbread, chicken and dressing. See that? Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And yo, tummy. Taste that one. Mmm. Nice and fluffy. I'll taste it for you guys. I already know it's good. That's super hot. Just took it out the oven. But that's super hot and super good. At the same time, make you want to slap your mama and your grandmama too. And guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like and share and subscribe, and please comment. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to Veldog's Kitchen, where we be making affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, I'll see you next time. Veldog's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.